So this is going to be a bit of a slower walk. So you can get the dreamy forest effect going. This is Massey Estates forest. It's only just beside the Hellfire Club. Forgot the name there. I was just there a minute ago. So if you're up at 1, you might like to come visit this one. I'm going to take it easy. I think I got something last week. I was feeling drained all week. So I'm just kind of starting to get back to it now. I wasn't even editing anything. So yeah, I was really drained. Could have been COVID, I don't know. Just didn't give me the symptoms, it's just drained, that's all. So one of my friends did mention that he's sick of seeing me in the gear that I'm wearing basically all the time, and he said, why don't you design your own merchandise? So if you'd like to see me wearing different clothes when I do appear in front of the camera, let me know in the comments below. And hey, if it turns out to be kind of cool and you like it, it might be merchandise that you might be interested in purchasing yourself. The thought did cross my mind several times. Oh, and I'm recording on the GoPro Hero 10. I'm trying this out for a few walking videos now. And, see what the colouring is like, see what the stability is like. I don't know what the audio is going to be like, so it might be text. And the microphone for it, you can get a wireless one, but like you're looking at add-ons and adapters and all this stuff, and it's just a pain. So I might get just the microphone on its own, I don't know, we'll see. It's more of a vlogging thing. But oh, another update, I just bought my ticket to Singapore, and I'm planning to go over there to Singapore, Kuala Lumpur, Southeast Asia for a couple of months. So if there's anything of interest in that general area that you want to see, let me know. I'll try to record it if I'm in the area, if it's not too much out of the way. But that will be happening in September, and I'm going to still get Ireland videos to kind of hopefully cover every second day. I might need to stretch it out to every third day. So that will be happening in September. I'm recording this in June, but you're going to see this video in July. Yeah, so you can do the math. Actually, I have to do the math on how many videos I need, but I don't even know how long I'm going for. I just bought a one-way ticket. So this is pretty cool. Like, nice little area here, lovely light shining in. So that's a few updates there. I'm thinking of just scrapping the Patreon. It's extra work. So I'll just go with, you know, subscribers hopefully, and just be happy with that. For now, I might revamp the Patreon down the road. I want there's people coming, so I'm going to have to be quiet. See, I don't like this one because it looks like I'm holding a gun. It doesn't look too good. Morning. Some spectacular light coming in actually. Yeah, be very nice for photo. And up here as well, there's a new tree up here. Again, as I said, it's not going to be a detailed long video like the last couple of ones. I'm going to start doing 5-minute short ones again. I just really had to get the Hellfire Club over and done with, which should have been longer, but I forgot to press the right button. Anyway, but yeah, no, that looks That looks very magical. Like, see the way the light is coming into the forest. It looks very beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, so this is more of an update video, and also little walking tour of this place as well, because it was on the list as well. As you can see, there's like free roaming. You kind of go in, explore the forest, so it'd be great for, you know, if you have kids or dogs or pets. Probably not good if you have like a pet that won't return. So, you know, if you bring your cat, or, you know, if you have a ferret, you might be getting that back. But, yeah, I think I'll just make it down to the end here and then turn around. I'm still kind of a bit drained, but I'm getting out and doing a bit more. Getting a bit more active. I think it's because I went drinking last week and we were out late and all, and messed with me times, sleep times and all that. But yeah, Singapore is going to be 3 days, and then I'm going to move to Kuala Lumpur. Now I'm still going to be working my regular job remotely, so I won't be having a holiday, but I'll be there, so I can do my videos in the morning and the weekends and do my photography as well. So hit me up and let me know. I'll be definitely doing that, the Twin Sisters or something I think it's called in Kuala Lumpur. The tower that has the bridge going over it. I'm going to be clapping my pants doing that now. But yeah, plan to spend a good while over there. Good couple of months. I'll be going all the way up through Thailand and Laos and Vietnam and doing these daily activities. I'm going to start walking back now, and then I'm going to end the video shortly. I said that a few minutes ago, but I didn't. And then I'm kind of hit a blocker at the Hanoi, so I have options from there. I could possibly go to Japan or South Korea, depending on money, because they're both expensive countries. Or I could go to the Philippines for a week, which I may still do either way. And then who knows, by that time China might be opened up, although the problem there is I can't work from there. It's something to do with the restricted IP addresses. I don't know. It's something to do with security on my company. Yeah, so we're gonna see. Book the flights, book the first 2 weeks. I have to book a few other places as well. And it's just gonna be saving between now and then. So yeah. If you like the content, or if you have any comments about the merchandise, you know, if you want to see me in cool funky designs, or I might even open up a competition, you know, let's use design what Grand Walking Tours represents. But yeah, no, that's not probably gonna happen. So yeah, I'll probably design something, and then if it looks kind of cool, you know, I'll probably leave it on one of those drop shipping sites that cost nothing to leave it there, and then if anyone wants to buy it, they can. So it's going slightly uphill and we're getting out of breath. I think it was COVID. Because my breathing is worse. Yeah, gonna leave it at that. Gonna edit these videos, and then I'm gonna do probably some cycling tomorrow. I've got an electric bike there. Take that out for a spin, and yeah, enjoy that. I'll probably chop that up into several bits, just because I'm getting lazy. Anyway, if you haven't already and you still made it to this point, subscribe, like, comment, share, send me money, do something. Anyway, bye-bye.